Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this look for you. It's kind of like a smoky, sultry look. It is based on a look from, oh my god, there is a bug. It's like -10 now. Why is there bugs? Anyways, this is a look based on one I found on Rihanna online somewhere. So I'm basing it off of that, kind of. But yeah, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look. Okay, so this is the kind of picture I'm going by. I don't know if you guys can like see that, but I also like to zoom in. So we're gonna be doing more of like a kind of a cut crease faded look or whatever. But like, damn guys, look at her brows. Damn, those are like some really nice brows. But and then doing a really like sharp cat eye too, as you can see on there. But yeah, so just thought I'd show you like my inspiration of today. All right, so I don't have any makeup on at all right now, so I'm gonna do the shadow first, and then I'll do the, like all my face stuff after, just so if I do have any fallout or need to wipe it off, it's easy. I need to stop saying I say so much. It's so hard to break the habit, but I need to stop. Okay, so sorry guys if I say that a lot. I'm working on it, I promise. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape tape. This is in Fair Neutral, like always. It's the same one I always use. We're gonna use this as a eyeshadow base though. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit since we're doing the eyes first. So we're taking this guy, and I'm just gonna dab this directly onto my eyelids. And we do this to create a nice canvas base, basically. And then the texture of this guy really, the shadow really grabs onto it well. I'm just gonna use my finger. You can use a brush though, or whatever if you want. Finger gets the job done though. But yeah, I just like this, like I always say, it just kind of evens out your eyelid. I have like really veiny eyelids, so that's why I like to use it, but it works for lots of reasons. Okay. Usually I already have one eye done, but we're just gonna do both of them in this video. So the palette I am going to be using the majority of the time today is the Morphe 3502 palette, which has a lot of amazing colors in it, but to be specifically, it looks like this. Just because we're gonna be just using a lot of the like neutral browns in here to create this kind of like smoked out look she's got going on. So I really need to wash my brushes, but I haven't, so they look kind of nasty, so sorry about that. I think, let's see, I didn't really plan this out very well, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these to see what's the best option. Okay, so I think for the first like kind of base color brown we're going to be using is this one on the very end. It is called the sheet Dust. We're using Dust, guys. Kind of think of it, that is actually kind of what we put on our eyelids all the time, is dust. Okay, so we're just gonna buff this into our crease. I like to start in the middle and then work my way side to side. This is a very kind of smoked out, it's almost in like the shape of a cat eye. So we definitely want to blend this out as best as we can. This was a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be, but oh well. So I'm gonna drag that all the way out here. Okay, so I'm going to take this smaller blending brush, and we're going to take Stone, is what it's called, which is this color right here. And we're just going to darken up our crease a little bit more. So starting in the middle, and then just working our way out. This is the color we're gonna use to really dramatize our little swoosh that we're making. I'm just going back in with that bigger brush. I'm just gonna blend this in together a little bit better. Alright, so with a smaller brush, I'm going to take this color out of it's Levitation, out of the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. So this guy right here. And I'm just going to kind of clean it up. I would use concealer to do this, but it's very like blended and smoked out, so this will kind of keep it that way. It won't make any like really sharp lines. I'm just putting some of this on my lid too to kind of set the concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. I don't know if it's showing up, but yeah, one I literally always use. And we're gonna make a very detailed cat eye. This is not the time for eye boogers. I just gotta clean this up a little bit because I kind of messed it up a little bit. I'm just going in with some concealer to fix it though. Okay, now I'm just gonna do that on the other eye really quick. So I'm gonna go back in with that color Dirt, which is the first brown we used. And I'm just gonna kind of smudge this underneath my lower lash line. So then I decided I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner underneath on my lower lash line, just to kind of make the eye pop a little bit. Alright, and then I'm just going to smudge that out with this same brush I used to apply the brown. Alright, so next I'm going to add some mascara. So I'm just going in with the new Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Mostly apply this on my lower lashes because I'll be putting on lashes, but put a little bit on the top. Alright, and then the lashes I'm going to be using are these Dodo Lashes. This is in style D105. They're just nice dramatic lashes, so I'm gonna stick those guys on. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna do my face makeup really quick. So I will see you in a second. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. This was just an eye tutorial. I did like fast forward through all the face stuff, but I did use, for my foundation, I thought I would throw it out there, that I did use the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm wearing shade 150. But I really love this foundation though. It works really good with my skin type, which is kind of normal to oily. But yeah, love that foundation, and I thought it fitted to use it with a Rihanna inspired tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope to post another video this weekend, so hopefully we'll do that. School is kind of crazy, so we'll see. And by the way, so the sweatshirt I'm wearing is from a local Montana clothing, not store, but I guess they're a company. But it is called Crowned Clothing. I will link their website down below, but I don't think they have these sweatshirts anymore, but it's like a crop, like hoodie type thing. They're super cute though, and they're super warm, and their clothes are just really cool. So you should definitely check them out if you are interested. But yeah, I will link them down below. Definitely give them a look. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely like and subscribe down below. Show me some love. Follow me on different social medias. I will follow you back. I just appreciate the love. So thanks guys. Bye.